Today we're discussing room air conditioners. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of the different types of room air conditioners available on the market today. You'll also learn what information you should have with you so that you can choose the right type and sized model for your home. The first thing you'll need to know are your measurements. Be sure to measure your window or wall opening, and it helps to have a general idea of the room size you want to cool, taking into consideration ceiling height. The easiest way to check the square footage of the room is to measure the length of the floor and multiply it by the width, and that will give you your room's square footage based on an 8-foot ceiling. Next, make sure a grounded outlet is next to the window or wall space you'll be using for air conditioning. You should not use an adapter or an extension cord. You'll also need to know if the outlet you'll be using to power the AC is the standard 115 or 208/230 volts. Be sure to look at the outlet receptacle or plug. If you're uncertain, snap a photo and show it to your salesperson. Now that you have your measurements and electricity requirements, here are a few more things you'll need to consider when making a purchase. Is the room you're trying to cool facing the sun the majority of the day? Are the ceilings taller than 8 feet? How many people are occupying the space? In addition, is the unit going to be in a kitchen? All of these things will affect your unit's cooling capacity. With that in mind, you're now ready to choose from the different types of room air conditioners available on the market today: window, casement, wall, Ptac, mini-split, and portable. Window ACs are the most common. They're best for windows that slide up and down. Casement ACs are also window units, but are best for windows that slide left to right, and usually with a hand crank. Wall ACs are also common. They install through a wall of a building and require a sleeve. These sleeves are not included with the unit, but can be found in the air conditioning accessories category. Ptac ACs, which stands for Package Terminal Air Conditioners, are self-contained heating and air conditioning units that are mostly found in hotels, apartments, condos, hospitals, sunrooms, or room additions. Like wall ACs, they install in wall and require a sleeve and external grill accessory to complete the install. The main difference between Ptac and wall units is that all Ptac units will require 208/230 volts or higher to work. Mini-split AC systems are electric heating and cooling systems that do not require ductwork. They consist of an indoor unit and outdoor compressor. They install above a doorway or just below the ceiling. These units are highly energy efficient, can be added to every room of your home with the ability to customize the temperature in each room, and depending on the model, one compressor has the ability to control up to 8 rooms. And finally, portable air conditioners can be used in a windowless room or office, although a room with a window is recommended for venting since the exhaust needs to go somewhere outside the room. All of these units come in different sizes, with cooling capacities ranging from 5,000 to 48,000 BTUs, depending on the type and model. The size you need will depend on the room you want cooled. Keep in mind, if you incorrectly choose an air conditioner that has a higher BTU rating than what the room size requires, it will cycle off too quickly, and the unit will not properly remove moisture from the air, leaving the room feeling humid. On the other hand, if you choose a unit that has a lower BTU rating than what the room size requires, the unit will run continuously and will not adequately cool the room. Just be sure to check the unit's energy efficiency rating, labeled as EER or SEER, which is posted on every air conditioner. This will let you know the approximate yearly savings you'll receive with an Energy Star appliance. The higher the rating, the greater the savings. To learn more about room air conditioners, accessories, and installation options, visit app.com, where you can call or chat with one of our knowledgeable sales associates, or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.